Workers' compensation is the only remedy for an injured worker. An injured worker cannot sue their employer. In the state of North Carolina, the legislative body is trying to severely change workers' compensation law so that the worker becomes a victim a second time. There are two primary changes on the table. First, the proposed legislation would set a new arbitrary limit of 500 weeks of compensation. In other words, you're working for a manufacturer and in the course of your employment, you're injured and now a paraplegic that needs lifetime care and medical assistance. Under the new proposed law, your benefits would be cut off after 500 weeks or 9.5 years. So, if you're injured at age 25, then at age 35, you're on your own. All benefits stop, and the insurance company basically now washes its hands of you and of their responsibility to you. That's part one of the bill. Part two changes the law, which up until now has stipulated that you can continue to collect your workers' compensation benefits until you find suitable employment. In other words, until you find something comparable to what you were doing when you were injured and something that pays a comparable wage. Case in point, you are a construction worker that was making $30 an hour. You are not physically able to do this type of job, but you could handle a job at McDonald's for minimum wage. The proposed legislation would require that you go back to work once you are physically able to do any job. Yes, even a minimum wage job. If you want your voice to be heard on this important matter, it is imperative that you contact your North Carolina representatives and ask them to say no to the insurance company bailout bill. Visit the Facebook page for more information and a list of representatives. This is Cindy Speaker for State Law TV.